But going back to gross anatomy, here we have a nice sagittal cut of the head, and you can clearly see many of the labeled structures as well as some other ones. You can see the mouth and the food path, with the tongue occupying the vast majority of the space when relaxed, almost touching the palate, and then on here the epiglottis covering the entrance to the larynx, preventing food from entering the air pathway towards the trachea, guiding it instead posteriorly towards the esophagus, which is, in turn, anterior to the vertebrae, or in front of the vertebrae, and if we keep going even more posteriorly towards the back of the head, we will have the pons in front of the cerebellum, and upwards the midbrain, downwards the medulla, continuing into the spinal cord. And of course, it's hard to ignore the many sinuses, especially the frontal one and the sphenoid one, which are literally in our faces here. And turning to the side here, we have the brain of someone with Alzheimer's disease. Now, pretty much all elderly people will have some degree of brain atrophy. That's just how the brain works. It starts getting old. However, what we can see